What's up, everyone? Today, I'm revealing 5 side hustles you can start right now with $0. No tricks, no gimmicks, just real, actionable steps to make your first dollar. Whether you want to pay bills, save up, or just earn extra cash, there's something here for you. I've researched each method, and they're 100% legit and free to start. And if you stick around to the end, I've got a bonus tip that'll give you a serious head start. Let's dive in. First up, freelance writing. If you've ever dreamed of working from anywhere, setting your own hours, and getting paid to write, this is your chance. Freelance writing is one of the most accessible ways to start earning online, and you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get going. If you can write an email, you can do this. Seriously, the basics are all you need to get started. Clear communication, a bit of creativity, and a willingness to learn will take you far. You don't have to be the next Shakespeare, just be yourself and write in a way that's easy to understand. Businesses everywhere need writers for blogs, websites, and social media. Every company, big or small, needs fresh content to connect with their audience, share updates, and boost their online presence. From tech startups to local bakeries, there's a huge demand for people who can put ideas into words. Start by creating a free profile on Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients looking for writers right now. Fill out your profile with your skills, interests, and a friendly photo. Don't worry if you don't have a portfolio yet. Everyone starts somewhere. Highlight your passions, gaming, fitness, anything you know well. Clients love writers who are genuinely interested in their topics. If you're into travel, tech, or even gardening, mention it. Your unique perspective can help you stand out from the crowd. No experience? No problem. Offer to write a short blog post or product description at a lower rate to get your first review. Think of it as an investment in your future. Once you have a few samples and some positive feedback, you'll be able to charge more and attract better clients. That first 5-star review is your golden ticket. It builds trust with new clients and shows you can deliver quality work. Don't be afraid to ask your first clients for honest feedback. It's how you grow and improve. Be proactive. Apply to jobs, send personalized proposals, and show you've done your research. Tailor each application to the client's needs. Mention something specific about their business or project to prove you're not just copying and pasting. Don't get discouraged by rejections. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Even the best writers face rejection, but persistence pays off. Use each setback as a learning opportunity and keep refining your approach. As you build your portfolio, you can raise your rates and even turn this into a full-time career. With every new project, you'll gain confidence and skills. Soon, you'll have a collection of work that shows off your abilities and attracts higher-paying clients. There's endless demand: blog posts, articles, copywriting, even video scripts. You can specialize in one area or try a bit of everything. The more you write, the more you'll discover what you enjoy and where you excel. Your action plan: sign up, create a killer profile, and apply to 10 jobs today. Don't overthink it. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll land your first gig. Set a goal to send out a certain number of proposals each week and track your progress. Don't wait. Start building your freelance business now. The world needs your voice and your ideas. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to grow, learn, and earn. This is a real, scalable way to earn money from anywhere. Whether you want a side hustle or a new career, freelance writing gives you the freedom to work on your terms. Imagine writing from a cozy cafe, a sunny park, or your own living room. All you need is a laptop and determination. The tools are simple, but your mindset is what will set you apart. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop improving your craft. Get started and watch your side hustle grow. The journey won't always be easy, but with persistence and passion, you can become a freelance writing legend. Next up, online tutoring. One of the most flexible and rewarding ways to earn money from home while sharing your knowledge. If you excelled in any subject at school or college, you can turn that expertise into extra income by helping others succeed. Whether you're a math whiz, a science enthusiast, or a grammar guru, there are students out there who need your help. Getting started is simple. Sign up for free on popular tutoring platforms like TutorMe, Chegg Tutors, or Wyzant. These sites connect you with students from all over the world who are looking for guidance in a variety of subjects. Create a profile that showcases your best subjects, academic achievements, and any tutoring experience you have. Set your availability to fit your schedule. No teaching degree or formal certification required for most platforms. Subjects like math, science, and English are always in high demand, but you can also tutor in history, computer science, or even test prep. If you're fluent in English, you can help students practice conversational skills, which is especially valuable for international learners. All you need to get started is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a quiet space to work. Many tutors work from their kitchen table, bedroom, or even a local coffee shop. When you're new, set your hourly rate a bit lower to attract your first students and build up positive reviews. As you gain experience and collect great feedback, you can gradually raise your rates and earn more per session. One of the best parts? Flexible scheduling. You can tutor in the evenings, on weekends, or whenever you have spare time. Fit sessions around your classes, job, or family commitments. Make your profile stand out by highlighting your strengths, sharing a bit about your teaching style, and adding a friendly intro video if you can. Students are more likely to choose tutors who seem approachable and enthusiastic. Most new tutors start around $15 to $20 per hour. But as you gain experience and specialize in high-demand subjects, you could earn $50 or more per hour. Your action plan? Research at least 2 tutoring platforms, start your application, and get familiar with their requirements. Practice explaining a key concept from your best subject, maybe record yourself or teach a friend. This will help you feel confident and prepared for your first session. Remember, you're not just making money, you're making a real difference in someone's life. Helping a student understand a tough topic or ace a test can be incredibly rewarding, so why wait? Start today, share your knowledge, and help someone achieve their goals. You might even discover a passion for teaching along the way. Your first student is waiting for you to make a difference. Take the leap and get started with online tutoring now. For the creatives or anyone willing to try, print on demand is a game changer. Use free platforms like Redbubble or Merch by Amazon to upload your designs. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront costs. Create designs using free tools like Canva. Even simple text or funny quotes can sell. Focus on specific niches or trending topics for the best results. When someone buys, the platform prints and ships the product, and you keep the profit. The more designs you upload, the more chances you have to make sales, even passively. Start with one design based on a hobby or trend you love. Upload it to Redbubble and list it on a t-shirt and sticker. You could make $50 your first month, then scale up as you add more designs. Some people turn this into a full-time income. Your mission: sign up, create one design, and publish it today. You're now an e-commerce entrepreneur. No money needed. Get creative and watch your designs earn for you. Side hustle number 4, social media management. If you've ever wondered how people make money just by being online, this is your answer. Social media management is one of the fastest growing freelance gigs out there, and it's perfect for anyone who loves spending time on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or Twitter. You don't need a marketing degree or years of experience to get started, just a willingness to learn, experiment, and help others grow their online presence. If you're on Instagram or TikTok daily, you already have a head start. You know what's trending, what content gets likes, and how people interact with posts. That's a huge advantage because most business owners don't have the time or know-how to keep up with the latest trends or create engaging content. Small businesses need help managing their social accounts, and they'll pay for it. From local gyms and coffee shops to online boutiques and service providers, every business wants to reach more customers online. But most owners are too busy running their business to post regularly, reply to comments, or analyze what's working. No experience? No problem. Offer to manage a local business's account for free for 30 days to build your portfolio. This gives you real-world experience, and the business gets a taste of what you can do. After a month, you'll have results to show, and a happy client who might just hire you for real. Use Canva for posts, and Buffer's free plan to schedule content. These tools make it easy to create eye-catching graphics and keep your clients' feed active, even when you're busy. You don't need to be a designer, just pick a template, add some text, and you're good to go. Track results. Show how you grew their followers or engagement. Take screenshots, make simple reports, and highlight any wins like increased likes, comments, or website clicks. Businesses love seeing real numbers, and it proves your value. With one case study, you can start charging $300 $500/month per client. As you gain more experience and results, you can raise your rates or offer extra services like running ads or creating short videos. The more you help businesses grow, the more you can earn. Find businesses with weak social media and reach out with your offer. Look for accounts that haven't posted in weeks, have low engagement, or use outdated graphics. Send a friendly message or email explaining how you can help them stand out online. Start simple, create and schedule posts, reply to comments, and grow their audience. As you get more comfortable, you can offer to run giveaways, collaborate with influencers, or even shoot short videos for Reels or TikTok. Learn as you go. YouTube and blogs have all the info you need. There are free tutorials on everything from content creation to analytics, so you can level up your skills without spending a dime. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Manage accounts from anywhere, set your own hours, and scale up as you gain clients. Whether you want to work from home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling, this side hustle gives you total flexibility. You're your own boss, and you decide how much you want to work. 5 clients could mean $2, $500 a month or more. As you build your reputation, referrals will come in, and you can even turn this side hustle into a full-time business if you want. Your action plan: identify 3 businesses that need help, send them a friendly offer, and start building your portfolio. Don't overthink it. Just take the first step and reach out. Every message you send is a chance to land your first client. The worst they can say is no. The best is a new career. Every no gets you closer to a yes, and every yes is a step toward financial freedom and doing work you actually enjoy. Social media is your playground. Turn it into your paycheck. The internet is waiting for your creativity. Get started now and watch your side hustle grow into something amazing. Last but not least, become a virtual assistant, VA. If you're organized and reliable, you can help busy entrepreneurs with tasks like email, scheduling, research, and more. No special certifications needed, just basic computer skills and a can-do attitude. Find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or in Facebook groups for business owners. Don't spam, offer value, answer questions, and build relationships. Offer a free or discounted trial to your first client to prove your skills. VAs can charge $15 $50/hour or offer monthly packages for stable income. Start general, then specialize in tasks you enjoy for higher rates. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose your clients. Your action plan: list your skills, join 2 entrepreneur Facebook groups, and look for people who need help. Your first client could be just one helpful comment away. This is a flexible, scalable business you can start today. Take action and become the ultimate helper. That's it. 5 side hustles. You can start today with $0. Freelance writing, online tutoring, print on demand, social media management, and virtual assistant work. The blueprint is here. Now it's up to you to take the first step. Don't let fear hold you back. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which hustle you're trying first. Check the description for your free bonus resource to get started. Go take action and start building the life you want. Good luck.